In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello profile picture. It's a simple process that shouldn't take more than a few minutes of your time. Whether you want to add a personal touch or update your existing image, following these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to your Atlassian account settings. Trello is part of the Atlassian family, which means your profile across these platforms is interconnected, so any changes you make here will reflect on Trello. Now open your browser and head over to https://id.atlassian.com/. You'll need to log in with the same credentials that you use for Trello, ensuring that you're accessing the correct account. If you haven't logged in recently, you might have to enter your email and password, so have those handy. Once signed in, you'll be brought to your account's main page. Next, you want to direct your attention to your profile and visibility settings. To get there, navigate to id.atlassian.com, manage profile, and visibility. This is where you can manage how your information appears both to you and others within the Atlassian products, including Trello. Now it's time to change your profile picture. Click on your current profile picture, which should be prominently positioned on this page. Doing so will prompt options to either change or remove the image. Here you'll have a decision to make. If you're content with having no image, the remove option will work fine. However, if you're looking to update your picture, click on the change option. When changing your picture, you have two primary choices. First, you can upload a new image directly from your device, which is a straightforward way to personalize your profile. Make sure the image is clear and appropriate for how you wish to be seen in your professional circles. The second option is to use a gravatar if you have one set up. Gravatar is an image that you can associate with your email, and it follows you around to different sites, appearing when you comment or post. So if you've got a gravatar you'd like to use or have been using, you can select this option as well. And there you have it. Whether you're uploading directly or using a gravatar, your new profile picture will soon reflect across the Trello platform. It's a small change, but having a consistent and professional image can enhance your interaction with both team members and clients on Trello. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now able to update your Trello profile picture with ease. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on using Trello effectively.